Hi everyone. Today I'll be comparing the writing sample of two nib sizes of the Platinum Century 3776 Bourgogne or Burgundy. I do have an ultra extra fine and a fine nib. You can actually see a teeny tiny heart sticker below the pen. I intentionally put that so I could tell which one is the extra fine, the ultra extra fine, and the fine nib. So, because they look so identical. So we have here the nib is a 14 karat gold. As you can see, I actually for this pen I bought a gold converter, so it would match the gold trim of the pen. As you can see, it has a translucent burgundy red or burgundy red wine color or red wine color. Yeah, and it shows the a little bit of the interior of the pen. The color is actually looks like a red wine. And the gold trim gives the pen its elegance. And it actually writes beautiful on paper. And this pen accepts a platinum converter. And the cartridge that came with a box. The ink that I'll be using for this video is actually an Archive black ink of the ink company called The Atramentis. This is actually a bulletproof ink. That's what they call it. It means it's waterproof. So I have here the paper that I'll be using is a Rhodia dot pad, which is actually should be good for fountain pens. This pen actually retails around $176 plus shipping fees to whatever place you want to deliver it to from Goulet Pens website. This pen, I actually use this for my journals and for ink drawings. If you would prefer to write small on journals, this is a great pen. And at the same time, it's actually good for drawings and sketches. It can provide thin, intricate lines. Yeah, let me do a writing sample. This paper is actually made or specially made for fountain pens. So even if you use thicker nib sizes, this will be a great paper for that. Because fountain pens requires a good quality paper that can actually hold a lot of ink, and ink should dry up so quickly, and it should not have any feathering. I actually have not tried all other pads and journals that is good for fountain pens. Maybe in the future I will try testing or showing off all other pads that is good for fountain pens or ink drawings. The other one that I tried is the Hobonichi notebooks, which is surprisingly thin. It's actually, I find it thinner than this Rhodia dot pad. It's actually thinner, but it's amazingly can hold ink. I don't know how they do it, but it can hold ink. Okay, this is the ultra extra fine. Yeah, lines are so thin. I actually did not experience any. Well, they said that the thinner the nib size is, the more that you get a feedback. But for this particular pen, I hardly notice any feedback at all. It writes smoothly, and it glides on paper. And I've never experienced any ink issues or skipping. For the other, all right, now let's try the fine nib. This one is a tad thicker than the ultra extra fine. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, so let's try the fine nib. Well, in the future, I might try some other nib sizes for this particular pen. I might try the music nib. That sounds fun. Probably need to study a little bit of calligraphy, maybe not. Yeah, this is actually a great pen if you're just starting to collect gold pens. Well, I hope this video gave you an idea about the nib comparison of an ultra extra fine and a fine nib of the Platinum Century 3776. I hope you find this video helpful. On my next video, I'll be doing a comparison of TWSBI Echo 1.1 stub nib and Kaweco Sport 1.1 stub nib. So watch out for that. And I hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe, everyone. See ya.